Imagine this. You step onto a cruise ship for the very first time. The music is playing, the lights are dazzling, and it feels like you've just walked into a floating skyscraper. But here's the truth most passengers never realize. These ships are packed with hidden features, secret perks, and entire areas you'll probably miss if you don't know where to look. In the next 16 minutes, I'll walk you through every single feature of a cruise ship, deck by deck, from bow to stern. We'll explore the cabins, the restaurants, the entertainment, even the hidden little corners most passengers miss. By the end of this video, you won't just be another passenger. You'll know the ship better than most travel agents. So buckle up, because some of the features you're about to discover aren't even mentioned in brochures. And I guarantee there are a few you've walked right past on your past cruises without ever realizing what they were. Let's get started from your cabin, your home at sea. Cabins and accommodation. Your cabin is your personal sanctuary, but depending on what you choose, it can feel like a cozy den or a sprawling luxury suite. Let's break it down. Inside cabins are the most budget-friendly option. No window, no balcony, just four walls, a comfortable bed, a bathroom, and a surprisingly efficient closet. But here's the thing, some people love them. Why? Because they're pitch dark, perfect for deep, uninterrupted sleep. They're great for travelers who don't plan to spend much time in their room and want to use their money on excursions or drinks. Oceanview cabins step it up with a small window or porthole. While it doesn't open, it gives you natural light and a view of the sea, so you'll always know whether it's morning, night, stormy, or sunny. This is a fantastic value for those who want to feel connected to the ocean without the balcony price tag. Balcony cabins. This is where most cruisers splurge. Imagine having your morning coffee while the ship sails past glaciers or watching sunsets right from your private railing. For scenic itineraries like Alaska or the Mediterranean, a balcony is a truly unforgettable experience. Most balconies come with a small table and a couple of chairs, making it your private outdoor lounge. Suites are where things get truly glamorous. Think larger rooms with separate living areas, multiple bathrooms, and often expansive balconies. The perks are a huge part of the experience. You'll often get priority boarding, a personal butler to assist with reservations, and access to exclusive areas like private lounges and sun decks. Some cruise lines even have entire ship-within-a-ship zones, such as MSC's Yacht Club or Norwegian's Haven, that include private pools and specialty dining just for suite guests. No matter what you pick, you'll find the basics: a bed, ample storage, a TV, a desk, a mini fridge, and a surprisingly efficient bathroom with a hairdryer. Cruise ship designers are masters at using small spaces wisely. If you've cruised before, what was your favorite cabin type? Drop it in the comments. I guarantee we'll see a battle between inside cabin fans and balcony lovers. Now that you know where you'll be sleeping, let's explore where you'll be eating, because food is one of the biggest reasons people cruise. Dining features. Cruise dining is a world of its own. You could eat 3 meals a day for a week and never repeat the same dish. Here's the lineup. Main dining room. This is the classic cruise dining experience. It's an elegant, multi-course meal with a rotating menu that changes nightly. You'll often have the same table and attentive servers who remember how you like your coffee or tea. Many cruise lines have either traditional set seating times or flexible dining, where you can show up whenever you want. The buffet. Ah yes, the legendary cruise buffet. Open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with themed stations for cuisines from around the world. You'll find Italian pasta, Asian stir-fry, classic burgers and fries, and a huge dessert section. It's the ultimate something-for-everyone option and a great spot for a quick, casual meal. Specialty restaurants. Want to go all out? Pay a little extra and dine at a premium venue. This is where you'll find upscale steakhouses, authentic sushi bars, Italian bistros, and even celebrity chef venues. The food and service are top-notch, perfect for a special occasion. Chef's table. If you ever see this on your ship, book it. This is a highly exclusive, for-fee event with limited seating. You'll be treated to a multi-course tasting menu, complete with wine pairings, often served in a private setting where you can interact with the ship's executive chef. It's the kind of meal you'll talk about long after the cruise ends. Snacks and quick bites. Beyond the main venues, you'll find plenty of free snacks. There are pizza counters, burger joints by the pool, taco stands, and soft-serve ice cream stations. And yes, most ships have 24-hour room service for those midnight cravings. Picture this. You're walking back to your cabin after a late-night show, and you smell fresh pizza baking. Do you grab a slice at midnight? Most cruisers do. Food may be the heartbeat of the cruise, but when the lights dim and the curtains rise, the real spectacle begins. Let's head into the theaters. Entertainment features. Cruise ships today are entertainment hubs. They're not just for bingo anymore. Main theaters. These are massive, multi-level venues that host incredible shows. You'll be amazed at what happens on a ship, from full-scale Broadway musicals and ice skating extravaganzas to death-defying aerial acrobatics and illusions. These shows rival anything you'd see in Las Vegas or on a major stage. Casinos. For those who enjoy gaming, the ship's casino has everything. Hundreds of slot machines, poker, blackjack, roulette, and craps tables. Remember, the casino is only open when the ship is sailing in international waters. Bars and lounges. The ship is filled with dozens of bars and lounges, each with a different vibe. You can find a lively nightclub with a DJ, a quiet martini bar with an elegant atmosphere, or a cozy piano bar where you can sing along with the crowd. Live music. Musicians play everywhere, by the pool, in the atrium, or in late-night lounges. One of the joys of cruising is stumbling across a jazz trio or a Latin band in an unexpected corner. Comedy clubs. Many ships have dedicated comedy clubs where you can catch a show or two from a rotating lineup of professional comedians. Quick question. If you're watching, would you go see a Broadway show at sea or spend your night in the casino? I'm curious. Now, entertainment is thrilling, but cruises are also about slowing down. Let's head to the spa, pools, and relaxation zones. Recreation and relaxation. This is where you recharge. Pools. Most ships have multiple pools. The main pool is lively with music, games, and activities. For a quieter escape, look for the adults-only pool, which is often a serene oasis with comfortable lounge chairs. Many cruise lines also have an indoor solarium, a glass-enclosed area with a pool and hot tubs, perfect for unwinding on a chilly day. Spa. The onboard spa is a tranquil haven. You can book everything from massages and facials to a full thermal suite experience with saunas, steam rooms, and hot stone beds. If you're celebrating a birthday or anniversary, book a spa day. You won't regret it. Fitness centers. Fully equipped gyms, often with floor-to-ceiling ocean views. You can find treadmills, ellipticals, free weights, and weight machines. Many ships also offer a variety of group classes like yoga, Pilates, or spin for an extra fee. Sports courts. Need to burn off that extra dessert? Head to the sports deck. You'll find courts for basketball, volleyball, pickleball, and sometimes even tennis. They're always buzzing with activity and a great way to stay active. Now we've relaxed. But wait until you see the thrilling side of cruising. Features that make you feel like you're in a floating amusement park. Thrills and activities. Cruise lines compete for the boldest activities, and they are not holding back. Water slides. You'll find multi-story water slides twisting and turning high above the ocean. Some even feature special effects, light shows, or are enclosed in a glass tube that extends over the side of the ship. Surf simulators. On some ships, you can find a flow rider, which is a surf simulator where you can test your balance and learn to boogie board or surf on a continuous wave. Rock climbing walls. Many ships have massive rock climbing walls that tower over the top deck, offering a fun challenge for all skill levels. Go-karts. Believe it or not, some ships, like those from Norwegian, have a full-blown go-kart track on their top deck, where you can race your friends high above the ocean. Skydiving tunnels. On Royal Caribbean's Quantum-class ships, you can find Ripcord by iFly, a skydiving simulator that lets you experience the thrill of free fall without ever leaving the ship. Roller coasters and zip lines. The latest ships are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, with some featuring a full-blown roller coaster on the top deck or a zip line that soars across the length of the ship. These aren't gimmicks. They're designed for brag-worthy vacation moments and are often included in your fare. But what if you're not here for thrills? What if you're cruising with kids or teens? Don't worry, they've thought of that too. Family and kids features. Cruise ships are family-friendly to the core. They've created spaces for every age, so everyone in your family can have the best vacation. Kids clubs, organized by age, with dedicated rooms and trained staff. You'll find age-appropriate activities like crafts, science labs, scavenger hunts, and even theme nights. Parents often say, the kids didn't want to leave the club, which means you actually get a vacation too. Teens, dedicated lounges, dance floors, gaming stations, and movie nights. No parents allowed. These are carefully supervised spaces where teens can socialize and hang out without feeling like they're being watched. Families together, arcades, mini-golf, water play zones, and sports simulators. These are perfect for families to spend time together. Families are happy. But let's shift gears, because beyond the fun, ships also function like floating malls and service centers. Shopping and onboard services. Duty-free shops, boutiques, and gift stores line the promenades. You'll find everything from designer handbags and luxury jewelry to cruise-branded souvenirs. Since it's duty-free, you'll find some great deals on alcohol and perfumes. There's also a photo gallery where you can browse professional shots taken throughout the cruise, from formal night to port days. And yes, every ship has a medical center, fully staffed, with doctors and nurses who are available 24/7. Hopefully, you'll never need it, but it's reassuring to know it's there. Beyond that, you'll find things like a laundromat, a hair salon, and a barber shop to make sure you look your best for your vacation photos. Beyond shopping and safety, modern ships are also incredibly high-tech. Navigation and tech. Finding your way on cruises is easier than ever with advanced navigation features and technologies. Elevators and signage. Ships are a maze, but everything is color-coded and mapped with clear signage. The best way to get around is to take the stairs and get your steps in. Apps and Wi-Fi. Most cruise lines have a dedicated app that shows you the daily schedule, allows you to book shows and dining, and even has a chat feature to message friends on board. Wi-Fi is a paid service, with a variety of packages available depending on your needs. Digital kiosks. Touchscreens are everywhere. These interactive maps guide you deck to deck and allow you to make reservations for shows and dining. Muster drill. A required safety drill before sailing. Quick, simple, and important. It's a crucial part of your cruise. Now let's talk about the hidden features even veteran cruisers sometimes miss. Hidden or overlooked features. Beyond the flashy attractions, a cruise ship has quiet secrets. Features that you might not even know are there until you need them. Self-service launderettes, a true lifesaver on a longer voyage. You'll find these on most ships, equipped with coin or card-operated washers and dryers. They're a fantastic way to avoid overpacking your suitcase or to freshen up your clothes halfway through your trip. Libraries and card rooms. Perfect escapes for introverts, readers, or anyone who wants a quiet moment. These are peaceful havens tucked away from the main crowds, often stocked with a collection of books and board games. It's a great place to sit back, relax, and enjoy the silence. Observation lounges and secret decks. While every cruiser knows about the main pool deck, there are often lesser-known, tucked-away lounges or outdoor decks at the front of the ship. These offer panoramic, forward-facing views with far fewer people. It's the perfect spot to watch the ship sail into port or simply enjoy a quiet moment with the horizon. Crew-only worlds. Of course, you'll see crew-only signs. These corridors and lounges are the private world of the crew, designed for them to rest, eat, and relax. They're a crucial part of what keeps the ship running 24/7. It's a good reminder that every person you see on board has a whole life at sea to make your vacation special. These details give ships their heartbeat and are what make them feel truly special. And finally, let's talk about the social hubs and special services even veteran cruisers sometimes miss. Social hubs and special services. Beyond the obvious features, there are central hubs and special services that are the heartbeat of the ship. The Grand Atrium and promenades. This is the central meeting point and the social hub of the ship. The Grand Atrium often spans multiple decks and is a spectacular space for live music, special events, and people watching. The promenade is the main thoroughfare, lined with bars, shops, and cafes. Art galleries and auctions. Many ships have dedicated art galleries where you can view impressive collections of paintings and sculptures. Throughout the cruise, the ship will host auctions where you can bid on pieces you love. It's a unique activity and a great way to meet fellow art enthusiasts. Card rooms and libraries. For a peaceful escape from the crowds, you'll find dedicated card rooms and libraries. These are quiet spaces for a game of cards, a puzzle, or to simply relax with a book. Exclusive lounges and sun decks. Many cruise lines offer loyalty programs with special lounges for their top-tier members. In addition, some ships have private, for-fee sun decks with luxurious chairs, cabanas, and concierge service. Wedding chapels and photo studios. If you're celebrating a special occasion, you can book a wedding or vow renewal at the Onboard chapel. Many ships also have professional photo studios for formal portraits, which is a great way to capture your vacation memories. These features make the ship feel like a true community. And there you have it, every essential feature of a cruise ship explained in 16 minutes. From cabins to casinos, spas to surf simulators, you now know your ship inside and out. So tell me, if you could spend an entire cruise in just one area of the ship, where would it be? The dining rooms, the pool deck, or maybe the specialty restaurants? I'd love to hear in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insider cruise guides from Cruise Pro. Until next time, safe travels and happy cruising.